Welcome. In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch, basically restart. First, we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen. So let's press and hold the upper button, the crown button, and once the power menu appears on the screen, you should see two options, power off and restart, and we want to restart our watch, so tap on restart option, then tap on it again and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.